What if I told you that you could start making $10,000 a month using free AI tools without any prior experience? Tech skills are a huge budget. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, I used to think the same until I actually did it. Introduction. Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through exactly how I went from zero to over 10,000 a month using nothing but AI tools you can access right now. No coding, no marketing degree, just smart strategy and consistency. This video is for anyone who wants to make money online using the power of artificial intelligence in 2025. So stick around because I'm breaking it all down, step by step. Step 1, picking the right tools. First, let's talk tools. I started with ChatGPT, Canva AI, and a few free tools like Pictory and Notion AI. These platforms helped me generate content, design, manage clients, and even automate tasks. You don't need to be a tech genius, just know how to follow tutorials and experiment. Step 2, finding a niche. Next, I picked a niche that had high demand, content creation. Businesses, influencers, and startups are desperate for help creating social media posts, blog content, and YouTube scripts. I used AI to offer quick and professional services on freelancing sites like Fiverr and Upwork. Most people think the market is saturated, but AI gave me the edge by delivering faster and better results. Step 3, building through a workflow. Then I created a workflow. For example, I'd use ChatGPT to generate content ideas, Canva AI to create visuals, and Pictory to make short videos. I charge clients between $50 to $200 per project. Once I had 10 to 15 repeat clients, I was easily making over $2,500 a week. And the best part? Most of the work was automated. I just reviewed and delivered. Scaling with digital products. Here's where things got interesting. I scaled by creating digital products. Using AI, I made ebooks, templates, and Notion dashboards, then sold them on Gumroad and Etsy. One viral TikTok post brought in over $400 in a week. That's when I realized the real money was in passive income. Motivation plus CTA. I didn't need thousands of followers or a degree in tech. I just started. AI tools leveled the playing field, and now they can do the same for you. So if you've been sitting on the sidelines, waiting for the perfect time, this is it. Start learning, experimenting, and monetizing today. And if you want a full tutorial on each AI tool I used, let me know in the comments. I'd be happy to break it all down for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss my next money-making strategy. Let's make 2025 your most profitable year yet.